KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Hello viewer, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, KG Auto. I'm here over in Flushing in Queens. About to check out a car here. It's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, 4-cylinder. Apparently the starter of this vehicle has failed. I've already checked it out. The starter has failed. That's what we're gonna be doing on this vehicle. We're gonna bring you guys and show you how we're gonna replace the starter. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. I haven't said that, KG. You know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. Big Shirley.
Big Shirley. Hey girl, how you doing?
All right, so first thing first we're gonna do, we have to take off the battery. Always disconnect the negative first, not the positive. You disconnect the negative first before the positive. Whenever you want to put it back, you put the positive first and the negative. Don't say KG didn't tell you that, so you don't blow up yourself. So we'll continue working. I might not be able to video everything, but because sometimes people complain that, oh, the video is too long. So I try to break it down so that you can be able to watch it and still understand exactly what I'm doing. So in this car, the starter is located underneath the intake here. So this intake has to come out. So that's what we have. We're gonna have to take off this intake. So let me go ahead and take off this. So anything that I do, I'll bring you guys and show you exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm going to take off this, take off that, then we'll reconvene. KG, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. All right, KG, as we proceed with the job, as you can see, I take out the intake. So this intake is held by just 5 bolts. There are some other things, 3 nuts and 3 bolts and 2 nuts. But there are some other things that you need to take out to get there, like there are hoses, clips, all of that. You know, so I moved this radiator hose so I'll have enough room. You have to lose this also. You know, just 4 bolts. You take off that. So there are a couple of things you just have to move around the perimeters. You know, disconnect some whatever to get. But the bottom line is for you to do it, this guy must have to come out. So I didn't completely take it out because there are some other wires going in, like knock sensor, all of that. So I don't want to go through all of that, disconnecting the whole unit. So I just decided, let me bring the camera so you can be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see down here. So I just decided to disconnect some stuff. If you look down here, you see there's knock sensor, all those wires. I don't want to unplug it. So I just decided to move it to the side. Because when you're working on the car, what you want to do, you want to eliminate problem. Because if you're doing something and you get into another thing, like you're creating more disaster for yourself. So that's the starter right there. So we're going to go in there now and try to lose that guy. And then I'll bring you guys back out. KG, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So the starter is held by 2 14 bolts. The old one is out already. So just put the new one in and put this guy right there. It's like this. We're gonna use this nut right here. Flat nut. And that nut right there. Alright, so go ahead and tie that. Once you tie it, you put this cover back so that you protect it from water. Then you bring this guy, snug that guy in there, just like so. Okay, so that's it. Look like it's not going on the way in. Okay. Alright, so why doesn't keep pushing back? You don't have no key there. Anyway, so everything here is done. So we just push this guy back, pull this guy back, and then we'll start to reconnect everything. Gonna put this intake back in now, and should be good from here. So we'll leave that guy up, leave this guy up like so. Then we'll bring this guy back just like so. Just be mindful. Push this guy back. Take your time. And find your way down there, just like that. Clear up the spots. So there's a two stud here. So when you put in this intake, that two stud line up over there, then once those two stud line up, you know you are completely in. Okay, let's try to land it down. Cause this what do you call it there, the oil gauge is kind of standing on the way. You just have to maneuver your way to get around that oil gauge there. It's a little bit funny, but once you get that in, you should be clear. So that's it. I'm trying to learn, like you keep pushing back a little bit, like something is holding it at the bottom there, but I don't believe. All right, so we're gonna tie that and I'll bring you guys back. KG. So as you can see, the vehicle just started. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to show the other side of the, because I have a lot of job to do. As you see, I'm sweating. It's a very hot day in New York City. We're in August. I'm sweating like crazy. But the car started and I'm happy, and I know the owner should be happy, and everybody else should be happy. So I'm gonna put this guy just like this, and then we'll wrap up this thing. So I hope you can see my face. This is KG. If you have a problem with your car, the car breaks down the highway, especially when you live in New York City, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, Staten Island, Manhattan, so long as the money is good, we're coming for you. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. I'll appreciate that. Support your boy in any way. Until next time I come your way, KG is saying peace. We are done.